Well, hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you how we're going to season our BlackStone grill. This is not a super difficult process, but it is important in order to cook on this later. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and turn your grill on, let it heat up for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once it's done that, then you're going to go ahead and put your oil on. It's recommended that you use some type of vegetable oil or canola oil. I'm going to be using some coconut oil because that's what we like to use and we've seasoned our other cast irons with as well. But BlackStone even makes a type of seasoning that you can use, and I'll leave all the links for these things in the description. So we're going to let this heat up, and then we're going to start with our oil. Now that it's been heating up for a little while, you want to go ahead and throw on 2 or 3 tablespoons of your type of seasoning. You're going to throw it on there, and then you're going to spread it everywhere on the BlackStone, on the bottom, on the sides, and everything in order for it to get a thin, smooth coat everywhere. So here I just used paper towels and tongs in order to spread the coconut oil out, but you could use a wash rag or whatever else you'd like to use, just something that won't leave any lint or anything else on your BlackStone. So as you can tell, it is smoking, which is good. That's exactly what you want it to do. And so you're going to let this cook off for about 10 minutes or until the smoke has stopped, and then you're going to do the process again. As the oils begin to polymerize with the BlackStone, you will start to see the cooking surface changing colors to more of a brownish color rather than the gray you started with. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes. As you can tell, it is starting to change here a little bit. Most of the smoke has burnt off, and so we're going to go ahead and start on our second layer. Some people actually turn these off and let it cool for a minute. I'm just going to go ahead and do it hot. I think you can do it either way, and it works both ways, but I'm going to go ahead and keep it warm, put on some more coconut oil or whatever seasoning you might have, and then spread it all back around and let it smoke again, and we're going to do that a few times. I'd love to know in the comments, what are you most excited about cooking on your BlackStone? I think for me personally, it's either breakfast or hibachi. If you see any pooling from your oils, just simply spread that back out on your surface. This will help make sure the entire surface is coated and there are no sticky areas. And just a reminder while you're doing this, to make sure you get the outside edge, both sides, and also the front and the back. You'll begin to notice that the middle of your grill is brown while the outside edge is gray, and that's okay, this is normal. And as you use your grill, you will continue to season it and the gray will begin to fade away. So after you've done 3 to 5 layers of your seasoning, then you can let this cool and you should be ready to cook on this. It's very similar to a cast iron skillet. As you cook on this, it will continue to season a little bit. And so what you're going to do is just make sure, again, you have used all the seasoning. You're going to let it cool, and then you should be good to go and ready to eat on it. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can also check out another video over here, and I'll see you over there.